It's such a crazy feeling.
That was great.
Oh my God. I've never done that before. So I hate my posture.
Okay.
And
What do you hate about it?
I feel like at the computer all day or on with clients, my shoulders are slumping. And when I walk around, like, I'm always hunched.
You're that meme that's like...
The shrimp.
The shrimp, you're the shrimp.
Yeah, we used to call it a turtle.
Okay, breathe in for me. Breathe out.
Oh. That feels good. I feel like the pressure on the right side.
Can I adjust your neck? It's definitely feels like it needs to get adjusted. Like that all is gnarly. Right there.
Whoa.